Say hi. Good morning, y'all. Let's make a quick and easy breakfast for me and my toddler. How you feeling this morning? You want pancakes, mini pancakes, and some strawberries? You can do that. I'm just gonna make him 4 of these mini pancakes and cut him up some strawberries. We just moved into our new home, so we don't have our furniture yet. So he gonna eat his breakfast right here on this counter. Here you go, Bubba. Y'all, for my breakfast, I'm gonna try this Dolly Parton shrimp and grits. I'm gonna make me a hash brown. I love me a good microwave boo. Let's get into it. It does smell really, really good. Okay, Dolly P. I'm gonna try with this shrimp. Tomatoes in it, scallions, and it's like in a spicy sauce. It's good. We're gonna wrap this up. Say bye-bye.